Good morning, dear students. As you all know that we met in the last week, Friday, Saturday. Saturday was the last day, and on Saturday we have done nervous tissue. So in this way, we have complete nervous tissue and connective tissue. Connective tissue means, as the name is telling, it work to connect the different bones, muscles, and as we know that blood is also called a connective tissue. तो ब्लड को कनेक्टिव टिश्यू क्यों बोलते हैं? बिकॉज ब्लड के फंक्शनिंग के कारण। ब्लड की फंक्शनिंग क्या है? ब्लड फंक्शन एज टू लाइक ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑक्सीजन, ओके, टू ट्रांसपोर्ट द फूड टू द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी, टू रिमूव वेस्ट मटेरियल्स फ्रॉम द बॉडी. So it is why, that is why the blood is called as a connective tissue. Okay, and next tissue we have done nervous tissue. Nervous tissue means जो हमारी बॉडी में कंट्रोल है और जो कंट्रोल से जो कोऑर्डिनेशन हुआ, that work is being done by the nervous tissue. कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन बनाए रखना बॉडी में, that is done by the nervous tissue. Okay, so these two we have done. We are going to start today. Third tissue, muscular tissue. Okay, now the last one is left, that will start tomorrow, that is epithelial tissue. Also different parts है which will start tomorrow. So today's work is to do muscular tissue. Muscular tissue means जो हमारी बॉडी में मूवमेंट है, मूवमेंट कैसे हुई, that is done by the contraction and relaxation of muscles. Contract हुई, relax हुई, okay. And the muscles are there which do work according to our will. जब हमने चाहा तो उन्होंने काम किया, जब हमने नहीं चाहा then they will not do work. Okay, means they are doing work according to our will, our wish. Okay, and the muscles are there which are not doing work according to our wish or our will. It is not that कि अगर हमने चाहा तो हमारा हार्ट वर्क करेगा, अगर हमने नहीं चाहा तो हम अपने हार्ट को स्टॉप कर सकते हैं. It will not be there. You know also this point, your heart stop, so definitely it will not be there. Okay, so let us start. Muscular tissue. It consists of elongated cells, also called muscle fibers. Okay, muscular tissue में क्या है? Consists of elongated cells, which are also called as muscle fibers. और उनको हम और क्या बोल सकते हैं? Muscle fibers also called as myocytes. Muscle fibers also called as myocytes. It is a contractile tissue, means contract होगा उसमें. Contraction and relaxation will be there of the muscle fibers in this tissue, by which our muscles will be able to do work. So it is a contractile tissue, consists of large elongated cells or fibers. Contractile tissue है जिसमें क्या है? It consists of large elongated cells or fibers. These muscle cells are able to shorten to a half. ये अपने आप को हाफ से भी छोटा कर सकते हैं, and even a third of their resting length. जो इनकी लेंथ है उसके थर्ड पार्ट तक अपने आप को हाफ कर सकते हैं, and then they will come back to their original position. जो इनकी ओरिजिनल स्टेट है, ओरिजिनल कंडीशन है, then they will come back to that situation. Okay, so return to their original form or original state. Contractility is the special property of this tissue. Contraction इसकी एक स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी है, स्पेशल क्वालिटी है इस टिश्यू की. अगर कॉन्ट्रैक्टिलिटी नहीं होगी, कॉन्ट्रैक्शन नहीं होगा, तो मसल्स में वर्क ही नहीं होगा. Muscles will not be able to do their work. And obviously, if there is contraction, there will be relaxation also, and then they will come to their original state also. So contractility is the special property of this tissue. Muscles contain special protein called contractile proteins. Muscles में special protein है. What we call that? We call that contractile proteins, which contract and relax to cause movement. Okay, contractile protein किस लिए है? By which contract and relaxation is there, which cause the movement of the muscles. Okay, contractile protein क्यों है? Which can cause contraction and relaxation, by which there is the movement of the muscles. The cytoplasm of a muscle cell contain a large amount of fine longitudinal running fibrils. ओके, जो साइटोप्लाज्म है मसल सेल्स का, उनमें क्या है, लार्ज नंबर में फाइन longitudinal running fibrils. Running fibrils are there which are called as myofibrils. Okay, we call them myofibrils, and the cytoplasm is called the sarcoplasm here. Okay, cytoplasm को क्या बोलेंगे, that is called as sarcoplasm. Sometimes the muscle fiber is externally covered by a sheath or membrane called sarcolemma. ओके, जो मसल फाइबर्स हैं उनकी जो एक्सटर्नल कवरिंग है, समटाइम्स दे आर आल्सो कवर्ड, एंड दैट शीट, दैट कवरिंग, दैट प्रोटेक्टिव कवरिंग इज कॉल्ड एज सार्कोलेमा. ओके, सो इट इज अबाउट इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ मस्कुलर टिश्यू. क्या है, कंसिस्ट ऑफ एलोंगेटेड सेल्स. एलोंगेटेड सेल्स हैं आल्सो कॉल्ड एज मसल फाइबर्स, और उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं, मायोसाइट्स. कॉन्ट्रैक्टाइल टिश्यू है व्हिच कंसिस्ट ऑफ लार्ज एलोंगेटेड सेल्स और फाइबर्स. The muscle cells are they can do short to their half or even a third of the resting length, and then they can come back to their original state. Okay, contractility is the special feature, special quality of this tissue. Muscles contain special protein. Special protein है which we call them contractile proteins. Special protein, contractile proteins we call them. क्यों? Because of these contractile proteins there is contraction and relaxation in the muscles which cause movement in the muscles. Okay, so the cytoplasm of muscle cells contain a large number of fine longitudinal running fibrils, जिनको हम क्या बोलते हैं, myofibrils. Okay, and the cytoplasm also called as sarcoplasm. And then this जो muscle fibers हैं उनकी outer covering है, जो outer sheath है, that is also called as covered by a sheath, तो उनको क्या बोलते हैं, सार्कोलेमा. मसल फाइबर्स की जो एक्सटर्नल शीट है, आउटर कवरिंग है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सार्कोलेमा. ओके, नाउ द कम टू द पॉइंट, दैट इज द टाइप्स ऑफ मस्कुलर टिश्यू. टाइप्स कितनी है, 3 टाइप्स आर देयर, दैट इज स्ट्राइटेड, अनस्ट्राइटेड और कार्डियक. ओके, स्ट्राइटेड, देयर नेम्स आर रफ मस्कुलर टिश्यू, skeletal, limb, stripped and voluntary. These are the names of this one type. Okay, next one is unstriated. You can call them involuntary, as they are rough, they are smooth in nature, they are stripped, they are unstripped. Okay, and voluntary, involuntary, and one name is also there, visceral organs. Visceral means you can say these are present in the internal organs. Visceral meaning is internal organs. Okay, the next one is cardiac. Cardiac means it is present in the walls of the heart. Involuntary है. In this, if I say involuntary means they are not doing work according to our wish. Striated है voluntary means जब they will do work according to our will. Okay, ये हमारी will के according work करेंगे. But if I'll say कि cardiac, they will not do according to our wish. It is there obviously. Can heart do work according to our wish? अगर हमने चाह कि हार्ट को थोड़ी देर के लिए स्टॉप कर देते हैं, and if you will want कि हार्ट जो फंक्शनिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं, it can't be there. Okay, it will not work according to our wish. So come to the first, that is voluntary muscles. Voluntary means names are there: rough muscles, skeletal, limb, stripped and voluntary. Okay, so voluntary muscles, the muscles present in our limbs. इनको हम लिम्ब मसल क्यों बोलते हैं, because they are present in our limbs, that is move when we want to and start and stop when we decide. Okay, the muscles present in our limbs move when we want or to stop when we decide. इनको मूव करना और इनको स्टॉप करना ये हम डिसाइड करते हैं. Okay, means it will work according totally our conscious will. These are called as skeletal muscles. As I tell, name is also one. Skeletal muscles क्यों बोलते हैं, because as they are mostly attached to the bones and help in body movement. Skeletal muscles बोलते हैं बिकॉज दे आर अटैच्ड टू द बोन्स एंड हेल्प इन बॉडी मूवमेंट्स. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज स्केलेटल मसल्स. नेक्स्ट दे आर फाउंड इन द बॉडी वॉल एंड लिम्स. कहाँ मिलते हैं लिम्स में? बाइसेप्स एंड ट्राइसेप्स ऑफ द आर्म. Okay, biceps and triceps of the arm, and also occur in tongue में, pharynx and beginning of the esophagus. ये इनकी लोकेशन है. We will say if I ask question कि what is the location of the voluntary muscles, लोकेशन क्या होगी इनकी? बॉडी वॉल में, लिम्स में, टंग में, pharynx में and the beginning of the esophagus. Okay, these muscles can contract rapidly and are responsible for the quick movements. Clear? ये contract करती है rapidly and these are responsible for the quick movements which takes place in the body. Okay? The cells of this tissue are long, cylindrical, unbranched and multinucleate. Means more than one nucleus is present here. Multi means many are present, or you can say more than one is present. Okay, why these are called as stripped muscles? Because इनमें dark और light band की strips present होती है. Dark और light bands you can say, if I just make it dark, it is dark band, it is light band. These are followed by each other. Dark band होंगे, light band होंगे, which are in the form of striations, stripped की form. Okay, it is the voluntary muscles. Next one is involuntary muscles. Involuntary means it was voluntary, which was doing according to our wish. जो हमने चाहा उसने वो काम किया. Involuntary muscles means it will not do work according to our wish. जो उसने चाहा वो वही करेगा. The movement of these muscles do not depend on a conscious will. जो मूवमेंट होगी वो हमारे विल पे डिपेंड नहीं होगी. द मूवमेंट ऑफ फूड इन द एलिमेंट्री कैनाल और द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड रिलैक्सेशन ऑफ ब्लड वेसल्स. क्लियर? जो मूवमेंट है फूड कैनाल में और कॉन्ट्रैक्शन और रिलैक्सेशन की ब्लड वेसल्स, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन दिस इनवॉलंटरी मसल्स. मींस जो मूवमेंट है फूड की, जब उसने चाहा ये नहीं कि वहीं पे स्टॉप कर दिया, नो, इट विल नॉट बी देयर. क्लियर? So it found in the iris of the eye के iris part में, bronchi of the heart, lungs में, heart में and uterus में. We found these there. It is called as visceral organs because ये कहाँ मिलता है? Internal organs में. Clear? These are long, flattened, spindle shaped and uninucleate. These were multinucleate. These are uninucleate means single nucleus is present here. These do not show striations. Unstripped क्यों होते हैं? Because इनमें striations नहीं होती dark और light band. Dark and light bands are not present. That is why they are called as unstripped muscles. Okay? These muscles contract and relax very slowly. ये muscles contract और relax करती हैं बहुत ही slowly. Okay? So last one is cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles means which are present in the heart. These are involuntary in nature. They will not do work according to our wish. So these are composed of branching and network of fibers. Branching and network of fibers. इसमें क्या है? नेटवर्क है फाइबर्स का, उनकी ब्रांचेस हैं. The fibers have centrally located one or two nuclei. Okay? जो इसकी सेल्स हैं, जो फाइबर्स हैं कार्डियक मसल्स में, जो नेटवर्क है फाइबर्स का, दे आर सेंट्रली लोकेटेड. दे हैव वन और टू न्यूक्लियाई. क्या है उनमें? एक से या एक से ज़्यादा मीन्स टू न्यूक्लियाई है. एंड फेल ट्रांसफर मीन्स स्ट्राइशंस तो हैं बट क्लियर नहीं है. ओके, फेंट मीन्स स्ट्राइशंस तो हैं बट दीज स्ट्राइशंस आर नॉट क्लियर. So with light and dark bands, okay, as these light and dark bands were present in the voluntary muscles, means that is why these are called as stripped. These are not present here in involuntary, and these are present in the cardiac muscles, but very light, very faint. Okay, each fiber is surrounded by sarcolemma. Sarcolemma क्या थी? That is was the outer covering, fiber is covered by, surrounded by sarcolemma. It shows characters of both striated and unstriated muscles. जो कार्डियक मसल्स है, it will show the characters of both striated and unstriated muscles. These are richly spread with the blood, because as we know कि cardiac muscles कहाँ present है? It is present in the walls of the heart, and if it is present in the walls of the heart, then what will be there? These are richly spread with the blood. इनमें blood की rich supply होती है. Okay, as there is a contraction and relaxation of the heart takes place. Contraction और relaxation होगी heart की, उसी के कारण क्या होती है? Heart की pumping होती है, and as there is the pumping of the heart, it will pump blood to all parts of the body. Okay, contraction and relaxation के कारण ही there is a pumping of heart, and as there is a pumping of heart, then the blood will flows, blood will transport every part of the body. Okay, so these occur only in the walls of the heart. ये सिर्फ कहाँ मिलते हैं? walls of the heart में. It contracts and relaxes rapidly. इनकी contraction और relaxation fast होगी and continuously with the rhythm. Okay, have you heard lub-dub? It is the sound of the heart. Lub-dub. It forms a rhythm, but it never gets fatigued. Okay, it never gets fatigued. कभी it will not feel कि my heart is feeling tired. Heart को rest करने दो, then it will start work again. It will not be there. Okay, so it is all about the muscular tissue. Let us take a recall once again of all the things. Muscular tissue क्या है? Elongated cells हैं, also called as muscle fibers, also called as myocytes. Contractile tissue है, means contraction and relaxation होगी cells में. They are having a special protein, जिसको क्या बोलते हैं? That is contractile protein. Because of this, there is a contraction and relaxation, and which cause the movement of the body parts. Okay, cytoplasm is called as sarcoplasm here. Cytoplasm of muscle cells contain a large number of fine longitudinal running fibrils, जिन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? Myofibrils. Okay, so sometimes the muscle fiber is externally covered by a sheet. Sometimes it is covered with the external sheet, जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Sarcolemma. 3 types है: striated, unstriated और cardiac. Okay, striated means rough है, skeletal है, limb है, stripped है, voluntary है. Opposite to these names in unstriated. Okay, like it is rough, it is smooth, it is not skeletal, it is limb is not there, stripped, unstripped, voluntary, involuntary, and visceral means visceral organs. It is present in the internal organs. Voluntary muscles कहाँ present है? Means limbs movement की responsible mostly. So when we want to stop and when we want to work, then they will do according to that only. So these are called as skeletal muscles because they are present mostly in the bones, attached to bones and help in the body movements. Okay, body bones and the limbs means are जो कि biceps और triceps हैं, we can find them there, and these are also occur in the tongue, pharynx and the beginning of the esophagus. So these muscles contract rapidly and they are responsible for the quick movements of the body. These are called as voluntary because they do work according to our wish. These are called as stripped or striated because इनमें light और dark bands की strips present है. Okay, the cells of this tissue are long है, cylindrical है, unbranched and multinucleate, means many nucleus are present here. Opposite to this, in this, these are uninucleate. Involuntary, these will not do work according to our wish. Whatever they want, they will do that only. So the movement of these muscles do not depend on the conscious will. Clear? The movement of the food in the alimentary canal, movement जो food की हुई alimentary canal में, contraction और relaxation जो हुई blood vessels की, it will take place with the help of the involuntary muscles. ये कहाँ मिलते हैं? These mostly found in the internal organs, like uterus में. Okay, uterus is there, heart is there, iris of the eye is there. Clear? These are long, flattened, spindle-shaped and uninucleate, means one nucleus is present. Do not show striations. इनमें dark और light band striations नहीं होती, strips नहीं होती, and these muscles contract and relax very slowly. So slowly contraction and relaxation is there of muscles. Cardiac means they will compose of the branching and network of fibers, okay, and these fibers have centrally located one or two nuclei, and they are having striations, stripped hand, but they are very faint. These are not clear with light and dark bands. Clear? Each fiber is surrounded by sarcolemma. It shows characters of both stripped and striated or unstriated. These are supplied with the richly spread. They are having a rich supply of the blood. These are the only in the bones of the heart. It contract and relax rapidly and continuously they form a rhythm, and but it never get tired. It never feels कि just heart need rest. अगर heart को rest की जरूरत है तो you can think yourself, but I want to say, okay. So it is about the muscular tissue. I hope everything is clear. Okay, today it is over, and tomorrow we'll start the next issue. And after this, I will just ask the questions related to this part only. So please watch it carefully. If any doubt is there, you may ask in the comment section. Thank you everyone.